welcome back to yet another interesting video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to delete your workspace in Slack. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to delete your workspace from Slack, you just simply have to open your Slack application at first, or open any of the browser and open the Slack into there. Now, after opening Slack, you just simply have to tap into this drop down besides your workspace name and then tap to this tools and settings option. Then after tapping into there, you will get this workspace settings into setting option. Just simply tap into workspace settings and it will lead you to your browser. Then you just simply have to scroll down to all the way bottom and you will get to see this delete workspace option. Just simply tap into that option in order to delete your workspace. After tapping into delete workspace, you will be prompted to this page. You just simply have to tick these two boxes into here and enter your Slack password into this box. Then click to yes, delete my workspace option. And after doing this very easy steps, your workspace will successfully be deleted. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.